Okay, hello once again from Japan, and it's June the 10th, and today we have a 2007 June four-wheel drive Toyota Alphard. That's the MNH15. It's got 49,000 miles, 79,000 kilometers. It was a Toyota grade 4B, and it's a genuinely very nice car. Really clean. I mean, it qualifies for a 4.5 in any other auction. Okay, so let's take a look at it. It's, as I say, it's a four-wheel drive. Just a very nice unmarked body. It's also got very good radials. I think they're 2019 radials. Standard 17-inch alloys, all unmarked. All the door moldings are clean. It's very nice. So we've got bright sunshine. We're heading into summer here, so we have 30-degree temperatures, or even 32 I think yesterday. Okay, it's got keyless access on the doors. Just come up, and as long as the key is in your pocket, it opens automatically. Black cloth interior. Sorry, that's my Airedale in the background. It's 5 o'clock and she thinks it's time to come in. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Standard muffler. Nice, straight, clean bumper. Flop the car again. It's the V6, 3-litre engine. If you're looking for an unmarked example, then this is certainly one. Whoever had this took immaculate care of it. Nice clean side moldings. Okay. This has twin power doors and dash and flip down monitors, rear camera, front and rear camera on this one, and it's an 8-seater. No fading on the bumpers or the chrome. Just a really nice car. Alright. It's just okay, it comes with a full set of keys and a complete set of keys with the car. Okay, so we just unlock it and we'll just see the power doors operate. And of course they can be operated from the driver's seat as well. Just very clean carpets. No stains or spills. And absolutely 100% has not been smoked in. I mean, the car is very nice. Headlining, it's all good. Flip down monitor. As you can see, the front headlining is perfect. There's no drooping at all. also has the theatre sound, so it has speakers in the roof, which is quite nice. 8-seater. Okay, close the doors. Okay, and as mentioned, it's got keyless access. You just walk up to it and it opens. Okay. Sorry, the sun is shining, so it's a little difficult, but as I say, if you want more specific detail, then please refer to the Dropbox photographs, about 60 photographs, and that also shows the complete underneath of the car as well, which obviously I can't video. So, as I say, if you want more details, look at the Dropbox photographs. Oh, sorry, we got the sun right in our eyes. Let's start her up. Showing 79,000 kilometers or 49,000 miles. 4-wheel drive. Here we go. And we've got reverse camera with guidance. As you can see, it has guidance. And it also has front cameras. When you're coming out of the tight side roads. Very useful. And okay. Non-smoker, whoever had it made the point clearly. So just very fresh car. Glove box lid is perfect, and all the manuals. Okay, some Japanese music for you. Has the rear remote, which will be sent. It comes separately with the paperwork, I believe. And also the rear cup holder in perfect condition, and the front cup holder also perfect. And steering wheel, give you an idea. Just the leather veneer is very good. And down here we have the controls for the doors. We've installed an illuminated rear fog switch, but obviously you'll need to install the fog light itself in the UK. Sorry, we aren't set up to do that. The mirrors folding, both mirrors folding, no problem. And as mentioned, it has the theatre sound system, which makes listening to music more pleasant. The door card is very clean. Alright, anything else in here? No, I don't think so. This one, no. It also has a lane departure warning. You can turn it on or off, so if you start to wander between the lanes, it warns you. Japanese are different to the European cars. The Mercedes and BMWs tend to give you a little kick with the steering wheel, which I always find a bit odd when you're renting a car in the UK, but here they don't like that. They like a little beep. It's very Japanese, more polite. Okay, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Oops. Okay. again, reflection of the outside, just really clean, very clean car, all over, inside and out. Again, sorry for the sunlight, but we don't have much opportunity. In the summer, the sun stays up quite late. Okay, so here we have the auction sheet. It came from a Toyota auction, and in our opinion, definitely the best chain of auctions when it comes to grading cars. Okay, it's a Heisei 19. It translates to 2007 June, 79,000 kilometers. Translates to 49,000 miles. Alphard, the MS 4-wheel drive MNH 15, 8-seater, with it says grey interior. It's more like dark grey. And as far as the it doesn't mention anything specific, just say auction debut, so it's first time in an auction. I don't know if it's a one-owner car or not, but it certainly gives the appearance of that from the way it's been taken care of. And here you've said it mentions engine oil. I mean, there again, it's Toyota. They are very picky. Anyway, take a look at the photographs underneath, and there is no issue there anyway. It also mentions a little bit of rust. There again, there is no issue there at all. Take a look at the photographs. Handles a little bit. The steering wheel, so they call it a handle. The steering wheel is a little bit worn, and just comments about the interior. But as you can see, it's fine. And the car is just a genuine grade 4B. You won't get a cleaner one for this age. Okay, I think that is it. Anyway, another nice Toyota. In my opinion, one of the possibly the best manufacturer of cars. I'm a Toyota driver personally. Anyway, there it is. 2007 07 plate. 49,000 miles, 4-wheel drive, 3-litre. Looking for a new owner. Thank you for watching, and we'll speak again. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email, sales at Jap-Auto-Agent.com.